Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to fix Spotify playing random songs, so let's start. So I'm here on this playlist, just click here on the random option, just click here, and if you check this is random option activate. If you click again, this option means that it's marshal on, and well, it means that it can't be repeat. So if you want to deactivate this option, you have to check if this is not activate. So just click here again and you can deactivate this marshal off. So that is how you can try to fix the random option. So you have to check if that option is not activate. So the other way to do it is go to your settings profile and then just go to your playback. Just click here and just scroll down and let's go to autoplay similar content. You have to check that this option is not activate. In my case it's activate, so you have to deactivate this option. That is another way to fix it. So you have two options to do it. Check your shuffle option is not activate and autoplay similar content is not activate too. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to